Dave Parker in the 38. Next to him, Jeff Watson Jr., and it's Jeremy Watson in the 79, Eric Pearson in the 5E, and Wicked Wanda Dobbs in the 1. And we got them off, and here they come, Green flag, and we're racing. 20 grueling laps for the Bandits. Into turn 1, it's going to be the Wild Child, the guy who lost the spectacular drag. He's going to try to take the lead and redeem himself this race. And we're about 3 wide there, come out of turn 4 between Ashley Matz, Rich Warren, the 93 car. Just about went 3 wide there. And looks like Rich Warren's going to pull away from them. We've got a battle for 4th place between John Triggs in the 2 car and Ryan Ostenson in the 17 as they make contact. And the 11 of Mike Gazelle is starting to get run down by, it looks like that is Bart Brockman in the 70 car. Yeah, because Rich Schinderling is in front of him right now in that 78, currently running 6th place. The 57 of Jeff Watson Jr. not having the best night here with that car as he just kind of drive around and get some points here. Everybody else, Ryan Ostenson looking to make a challenge here. Ryan Ostenson in 3rd place now. Remember, the breakout time is 16.400. They can't go faster than that. And it's Nick Schneider, Stephen Hillary, and Ryan Ostenson, your top 3. And there's action everywhere. Eric Pearson starting to look to the inside of Rich Warren in that 14 car, looking to make his move to get up there with the group. So far, oh, look out! Ryan Ostenson, Stephen Hillary, they're still hitting. Look out, he spun around Cody Armato. Cars every which way. He collects John Triggs. The Gazelle darts to the hard inside. Look out! That was crazy. And we're 4 laps in with 16 still to go. Race fans, I don't know if you had a chance to check it out, but I believe they're still open here right now. Go down to the souvenir stand. Lots of good stuff down the souvenir stand. Please, once again, also to practice social distancing at all times, to stay at least 6 feet away from the person near you there, unless you're there with family. Families, please, no more than 10 to a group. Wild Child's going to bring them around. All clear. We're ready to go back to racing. They're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Rich Schinderling immediately going after to challenge Nick Schneider here for the lead. And it's going to be Cody Armato trying to get ahead of John Triggs for 3rd spot. And we got 3 wide going into 3. 3 wide coming out of 4. Oh, it's going to be 14 of Warren making contact with a 5 of Shork, and then he bounces into 93. There's still 3 wide. Here comes Wicked Wanda. Oh, no, Rich Warren gets spun out. I don't know if he lost it on his own or what happened, but he's still going. No harm, no foul. Well, that was crazy. Now on the inside, the 28 of Garrett Braden started to look to the inside of John Triggs, but now he's got a handful of Eric Pearson right next to him. Braden on the, oh, John Triggs got a little loose there into turn 1, lost some ground. Garrett Braden going to take advantage of that. Eric Pearson's going to try to do the same, but John Triggs is back on his game here. As they are coming around. Getting near the halfway point here for the Bandits, and Garrett Braden is on the move as he's now worked himself up to, he's going to go challenge Nick Schneider for 2nd. And he's got 2nd place now. And it's Pearson and Armato side by side for 4th place. Rich Schinderling in that 78 car is going to try to put it in cruise control and get as far away as he possibly can from everybody. Halfway through this race now. But our fast qualifier, if I remember right, or our fast guy was that 28 of Garrett Braden. So we'll see if the fastest car can run down our leader, Rich Schinderling. He's got about 9 laps to do it. Eric Pearson now grabbing into third, trying to get away from the wild child, Nick Schneider. And you got him 3 wide almost as Wicked Wanda Dobbs working on the inside of that 93 car. I wonder if the wing helps. I couldn't tell you. I think she's the only one with the wing out there. So the 28 car, Garrett Braden, a victim of breaking out, unfortunately. So the 28 is now getting the black flag, and that will mean that Rich Schinderling's really going to pull away now, as Eric Pearson is now your second place car. As they are coming around. And it's all Schinderling. He's riding around on rails. Four to go for Rich Schinderling. Two to go for Rich Schinderling. I don't think anybody's going to catch him. The battle's for third right now between Armato and Schneider. A couple of our figure 8 cars. Armato now sealing up third spot. Bart Brockman looking to challenge Triggs for fourth. Or second, third, or fifth, I should say. And here comes your winner. It's going to be Rich Schinderling. Here comes second place. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Eric Pearson, followed by Cody Armato, Nick Schneider, John Triggs, and Bart Brockman round out your top 5. 6 goes to Mike Gazelle. 7th to Dave Park. 8th to Charles Shork. 9th to Mikey Marin. And Wicked Wanda Dobbs gets 10th. All right. First time back in the car in the year 2020. Sportsman last year and ran the figure 8 series and the Bandits, and he finds himself in victory lane. Sponsored by Brockman Built Race Cars. Make some noise. It's Rich Schinderling. Also sponsored by Massive Speed Systems and Nelson Imports. Rich, I mean, this is your first race back. It looks like you haven't lost your touch whatsoever. I don't think maybe Garrett would have caught you, but he didn't play it smooth or whatever you want to call it. You was out there all by yourself, sir. What do you think?
I looked in the mirror at one point and I saw Garrett back there, but I knew I was running real close to breakout. We set the car up. If it's out of shape, I'm going too fast. So I knew I was running 5s, 6s the whole time, and he was going to have to break out to catch me and pass me. So cruise control.
Is it a lot of strategy to keep it at 16.4 or slower? Is it hard to do that?
It is, especially like last year when we were running double duty. But this year, just getting in the car, we were playing with it in practice, see where we're at. And in all honesty, it's as fast as the car will go with 16.4. So let her eat, Tater Chip.
I have anybody else you'd like to thank?
Nelson Imports, they actually really put a lot of work into this thing. It had a starter issue Friday. They put like 8 hours of electrical diagnosis in it and rewired almost the entire car. Marcy Brockman, Bart Brockman, the entire Peeler Racing crew. These guys are great. Karina, Ben, Sean, Tabitha, Bailey Smoot. They all let me come out here and do this, and this is what I love.
That's what matters. Are you coming back out for the figure 8? Last question.
I will be back out for the figure 8.
All right, so he's coming back. Rich, congratulations. Yeah. What are you doing here? There you go. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you had a motorcycle accident. All right, one more time. One more time, Rich Schinderling. I found there was a step down there. I don't have to try to hurdle the wall anymore. All right. Oh, man. It's my favorite class of the night coming up next. Your Bargain Hunter Sportsmen are getting ready to run their feature. Who's going to take the 36 of Howie Ware to win this feature tonight? Who's got Chad Smith? Who's got one of the Robinson boys? Who's got Justin Sellers? All right. Who's got Adam Cartwright? I seen the 42 shirt. Shame on me for not saying it. Who's got somebody else that I didn't name off?